I bet you won't believe me when I say that you can earn money by simply copying and pasting images. Now, I am well aware that many of you are seeking something that is simple enough for beginners to understand. You can withdraw amounts ranging from $20 to $200. Just think about how much that money could improve your life and your circumstances. Alternatively, you could use it to start saving for your next trip or build up some funds in your bank account. In this video, I went ahead with this one-of-a-kind technique that does not involve any selling, any followers on social media, any investment, or any website at all. It comes with very generous pay. You can begin making money with this website by using their app or even through your desktop. So make sure you get to the end of this video to learn more about this awesome website, and do not miss the bonus tip I am about to share with you to increase your earning potential. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Let's not beat around the bush and let's go straight to our website. In our browser, type in Zazzle.com and hit enter. It will take you to this page right here. This website allows users to make a variety of items, including Christmas cards, t-shirts, ornaments, mugs, stickers, postcards, and more at no charge. After that, you can publish it on the website and start making money off of it. With the help of this website, you may sell your products online and generate income. If you watch the entire video until the very end, I will provide you with some bonus information that will assist you in making additional money online in comparison to other people. By the way, if you want to access Zazzle on the go, you can also have it on your mobile devices by downloading it from the App Store. To get started, first create an account by clicking Sell on Zazzle. You can create your account using Google for a faster sign-up process, and after that, you will be taken to this page right here, which is your dashboard. So the first method you can use to start earning at Zazzle is the Refer a Friend method. From your dashboard, just tap Associates. Here you can see some information about the Zazzle Associates program, and then once you're done checking this box, you can click Enroll Me. Before we continue, how do you like this video today? Make sure to leave a comment below where you are from so we can find more money-making methods that work very well in the country you're in. Before we move on, smash that like button if you enjoyed our video today so far. We appreciate your support. You now have your own associate ID and a custom link, which you can now use to promote Zazzle and your products. Just follow the instructions right here. Every time someone buys from the link you shared with your unique ID, you can earn a minimum of 15% referral payment per sale. Wouldn't this make you excited to share your links across different social media platforms? When they buy through your link, they get $25 off of their purchase, and then in return, you get 15% of what they've paid for. Basically, it's a win-win situation. To start being an associate and putting this method to work, you have to find your winning product. Just choose the products that you think are unique and will sell fast. Let's choose this mug as an example, and then tap Share. You will be presented with different options of where you can share them. You can copy the link and paste it on your site or share it with friends. You can also easily share it on Pinterest, Facebook, and even Twitter. To help you maximize your earnings, you need to create tons of different products here on Zazzle to help you with your referral. This is another way you can earn from this website, and that is being a creator. But first, you must establish your store. Go to your account and select Sell. You can see that on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Make sure you read all the information before creating your store. But first, give your store a name. Check this box and then you're good to go. Complete your store setup by filling in all the necessary details and then hit Submit. Don't worry if you can't finish setting it up. You can always come back to this page. Have you heard of Zazzle before? Let us know if this website we have for you today works in your country by sharing your experience and the country you're from in the comment box below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you like our video so far. Now, let's get back to the video. You have the autonomy to set up your store through Zazzle, create your designs, which can then be placed on the items you choose, and start selling. Head over to Products and then click this button that says Create New Product. You will then be taken to this page. Let's take mugs again for example. Just type mugs in the search box and then choose the one where you can create your own design. On the right side of the page, you can see the price of the item when you sell it. Click Customize the design, and now you will be able to start creating your own mug design the way you like it. You can upload an image from your phone or computer and then insert your original artwork. You won't feel lost creating here because these grid lines and guides will help you create a professional-looking design. So this would be done with minimal effort and you wouldn't even have to pay someone to design something for you. You can also adjust the size of each element and check how it looks in this preview box right here. Once you're satisfied, click Done. Now you will be able to sell it by tapping this button right here. After that, you'll see this page. This is where you will provide all the necessary information about the product that you just made. You can earn more by selecting the items in which your product will be available. Once you're done, just click Post It. You've finally made your first product for your store. You can do it again many times with a variety of products you can choose from. So there you have it. I am still amazed at how Zazzle can give you lots of possibilities when it comes to making money. This is also a great platform to share your work and turn your passion into a business. You can design almost anything and you can be creative with the products you put in your store. Isn't that exciting? What makes it even more awesome is the fact that it's free to use and very easy to navigate. What about you? Have you tried creating and selling with our free website today? We would love to know your thoughts and experiences with Zazzle today. So why not comment down below? You might be able to help your fellow hustlers, and together, we'll have the financial freedom we deserve. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.